Which one do you want to do first?
Done.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, honey, let's do your puzzle. Okay. Where's the... Oh. Come over here. Look. Want to put the birdie in here? Where's the birdie? Where's the birdie? Go get the birdie.
Wow, there's a thing now on my iTunes that you can bring
Where's the birdie go?
from the phone.
Good job. What's the birdie say? What's the birdie say? Hunter, what's the birdie say? Tweet, tweet. What's that? Is that doggy? What's the doggy say? Woof, woof, woof. What's that? Is that a kitty? What's the kitty say? Okay, that puzzle's done. That one's all done.
All done.
All done. Where's the other one? Look. Look over there.
Where's the cow go?
Where's the cow go, honey? Where's the cow go? Yes. He goes there. Good job. Okay. Put him in there. What's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Where's the horsey? Where's the horsey? Oh, yep. Find his puzzle piece. Where's the horse? Can you find it? Good job. Can you put it in the puzzle? Yeah, good job. Where's the sheep? You gonna take him out? Where's the sheep? That's the cow. Where's the sheep? Look! There's the sheep. Where's he go? Good job. Where's the horsey? You gonna take him out?
Yay.
Yay! Hunter, what does the birdie say? Tweet, tweet. What does the doggy say? You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Give a little kiss?
Mwah.
Mwah. He doesn't even use his hands. Can you give me a wink? Thank you. You got 5 winks. Bye-bye.